Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. Today's severe weather is going to be a little bit more robust than initially thought, so let's get right to it. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses East Central Georgia and Central South Carolina. Cities in today's slate include Savannah, Georgia, Columbia, South Carolina, Valdosta, Georgia, Sumter, South Carolina, and Hinesville, Georgia. And we have two marginals today, one covering parts of northwest Florida, the eastern part of the Florida Panhandle, central and far southeastern Georgia, northwestern and eastern South Carolina, and the southeastern half of North Carolina. A second marginal today covers southeastern North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, and west central Minnesota. Cities in today's marginals include Charlotte, North Carolina, Raleigh, North Carolina, Tallahassee, Florida, Fayetteville, North Carolina, and Charleston, South Carolina. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 5% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses East Central Georgia and Central South Carolina. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Savannah, Georgia, Columbia, South Carolina, Valdosta, Georgia, Sumter, South Carolina, and Hinesville, Georgia. And we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today covering northwestern Florida, a thin area of central Georgia, as well as far southeastern Georgia, parts of South Carolina, and south central North Carolina. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Charlotte, North Carolina, Fayetteville, North Carolina, Charleston, South Carolina, Wilmington, North Carolina, and North Charleston, South Carolina. Now, if you look at the black dashed area encompasses the entirety of both the 5% and the 2% tornado risk areas today. The black dashed area is a level 1 out of 3 on the tornado index. The black dashed area is the highest potential for tornadoes of EF1 rating or stronger, and could go up to EF2 rating possibly. Maybe higher, but odds are it's probably mainly EF1, EF2 variety within the black dashed area, which again encompasses the entirety of the tornado risk areas for today. Cities in the level 1 out of 3 intensity, aka CIG 1, include Charlotte, North Carolina, Savannah, Georgia, Fayetteville, North Carolina, Columbia, South Carolina, and Charleston, South Carolina. Going to the wind for today, there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering parts of northern Florida, eastern half of Georgia, most of South Carolina, and the southeastern half of North Carolina. Another 5% wind risk area today encompasses south central and southeastern North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, and west central Minnesota. The 5% wind risk areas today include Jacksonville, Florida, Charlotte, North Carolina, and Raleigh, North Carolina. I did not mention Miami and Tampa because they're not in any risk, so I don't know why they have Miami and Tampa in there. But in any event, up here, the black dashed area encompasses the entirety of the 5% wind risk area up here. The black dashed area is a level 1 out of 3 on the intense wind scale. The highest potential for hurricane force gusts of 74 miles per hour higher from thunderstorms today. Again, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour stronger from thunderstorms today. Alright? So, yeah. And I'm not saying there can't be some hurricane force gusts from thunderstorms down here. It's just the highest potential for hurricane force thunderstorm gusts. The highest potential for hurricane force thunderstorm gusts will be up here in the black dashed. Down here, mainly, 60, maybe 65 miles per hour, maybe 70, we'll see. Cities in the black dashed area, aka level 1 out of 3, CIG 1, really. The CIG 1 areas include Bismarck, North Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, Watertown, South Dakota, Wilmore, Minnesota, and Brookings, South Dakota. Excuse me. Now to the hail threat. There is no hail threat for today. So, in summary, isolated strong to severe thunderstorms may produce damaging winds across parts of the southeast this morning into the early afternoon. A tornado cannot be ruled out early with this activity. Strong wind gusts are possible across the northern plains this afternoon as well. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today, whether you're in a slight or a marginal, because, sometimes marginals and slights can produce some pretty strong storms, and you know what the heck they can pull off sometimes. And we've already had several tornado warnings this morning down here and in these areas, and there's even a tornado watch down here that encompasses a lot of the slight risk area. Actually, all of the slight risk is in the tornado watch, and even parts of the marginal are in the tornado watch too. So, until 1 p.m. Eastern Time. So, yeah, stay safe in those areas today, and for right now, day two remains general with thunderstorms. But even if day two does get upgraded to a marginal, I would not be able to do a day 2 today because I have school today and I'm leaving at 11:30 a.m. and not gonna be home until late afternoon. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to have a day 2 even if it gets upgraded to a marginal for tomorrow. I would have to have SPC convective outlook fill in for me. And if day one has any upgrades, then I will not be able to do it either. So again, if there's an upgrade somewhere, then I would have to have SPC convective outlook fill in for me at that time too. So we'll see what happens today. But again, any severe weather outlooks any additional severe weather outlooks needed today will be handled by SPC convective outlooks. But otherwise, stay safe in the affected areas today, and I will see you when I see you. Take care.